Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena, currently pursuing my Computer Science Engineering degree from Anand International College of Engineering, Jaipur, in first semester. It's my privilege to take part in Smart India Hackathon 2025 with my team Silent Coders. He is currently working on a project which is AI-based animal type classification for cattle and buffaloes under the theme Agriculture, Food Tech and Rural Development. Currently, animal classification is done manually, which is time consuming, subjective and prone to human errors. Our goal is to automate this process for accuracy and efficiency. Our project supports the Rashtriya Gokul mission by automating the animal type classification process, a key step in identifying high genetic cattle, merit cattle and buffalo. Our solution uses a smartphone-based image or video capture to automatically evaluate the data, the key traits of the cattle and buffaloes using AI, ensuring accuracy and consistency in rural low bandwidth areas. Our prototype combines AI image processing and AR-based measurement module with data securely scaled to Bharat Pashudan powers farmers with AI-driven insights, saves time for field staff and strengthens data reliability for Rashtriya Gokul mission. Therefore, our model works in low bandwidth environments using AR-based 3D mapping, provides explainable AI insights in local language, making it transparent and easy to trust. Additionally, my team have a plan to extend it to milk yield prediction and disease detection by using the same AI framework.
So now let me take you the dashboard of our prototype. So first we have to sign in with email ID along with a very strong password for security reasons. Then we have to drag an image or video to upload in this prototype, and AI will start processing to detect data from that image or video so that it can showcase the overall result along with segregating the data into sections. For example, length section, width section, chest section, breed section, and the segregated data will be appear on the screen. Then we can save this data into our system, and if we integrate our prototype with VPA, then the data will be automatically saved into VPA. Also, our team have a plan to implement this prototype for milk yield prediction and disease detection by using same AI framework.
So thank you for watching. We look forward to implementing this solution to strengthen India's livestock ecosystem.